Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing one grammar topic, that is homophones. Now, first of all, what are homophones? Homophones are the words that sound same when they are pronounced but have different meaning and spelling. Now, what does it mean? Actually, homophones वो words होते हैं जिनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होती है लेकिन उनकी स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होती है, जिनके मीनिंग डिफरेंट। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? दैट इज होमोफोन्स वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो बोलने में सेम लगते हैं लेकिन उनकी स्पेलिंग्स और मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो डिफरेंट। हियर आर सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स which have the same pronunciation but they have different spellings as well as meanings. Now we will be discussing these homophones. The very first word is some. That is S-O-M-E. This is also some. That is S-U-M. You can see that the pronunciation is same. That is some and some. But their meaning are different. Their spelling are different. S-O-M-E, some. That is, we can say this is an unspecified quantity. Okay. Now this sum, that is S-U-M. What does it mean? That it is a total. This is the total of adding something. After that, the second word is no. That is K-N-O-W. And this is no. This no means that is something we know, means we recognize, we are aware of it. And this no means that is the opposite of yes. Okay. Now, this is dear and this is also dear. This is D-E-A-R. This word is usually referred for our loved ones. Okay. Now this deer, that is D-E-E-R. This is a mammal. Okay. Now the next is meat. That is M-E-A-T. And this is also meat. That is M-E-E-T. That is this meat. M-E-A-T. This is the flesh of the animal which is generally used as a food. Okay. And this meat means we can say it is used for two words that are coming in contact, that are coming in touch. Now the next word is I. That is E-Y-E. And this is also I. That is, what is the difference? This I is this I. That is usually referred to as vision, and this I is used for oneself. It can be a speaker or it can be a writer. Okay. Now this is die. This is also die, means the pronunciation is same for all the words. Now this die, that is D-I-E. This means a cube which is generally we are using while we are playing, or we can say this die is used means to stop living. Okay. We generally say now that person has died. That is this die, that is D-Y-E. This is a substance which is used for coloring something. That is, it can be either a fabric or a hair. Okay. Now this is night. This is also night. That is K-N-I-G-H-T. This is a person, usually a soldier, which were living in the Middle Ages. Okay. And they are the soldiers which are in the middle age. We can say that a brave person. This usually served as a king. Okay. And this night, that is N-I-G-H-T. That is this, we can say that it is a time between the sunrise and the sunset. मतलब रात्रि जिसे हम कहते हैं. This is also home. This is also home. That is H-O-L-E, and this is WHOLE. This is whole means this is an opening, that is a hollow opening. This is whole, that is complete or the entire. Okay. Now the next word is waist. This is also waist, that is WAIST. This is the part of the body, and this waist we can say that excess material. Okay. Now this is brake, that is BRAKE. This means a device that is usually used to slow down the speed of the vehicle. Okay. Now this brake, that is BREAK, that is to smash something or to shatter something. किसी चीज को तोड़ देना या टूट जाना, उसे हम ब्रेक कहते हैं. This is mail, that is MAIL, that is generally referred to as letter. We say na, have you received my mail? That is. This is male, that is MALE. We can say that masculine. There are two words, female and male. That is male for masculine and feminine, that is female. After that, this is tail, that is TAIL. This is also tail, that is TALE. This tail is a posterior part of the animal. Okay. And this tail we can say a frictional or the non-frictional story. Okay. Then this is R and this is also R. Actually this is a time, it is a part of the time which is usually indicated by the 12-hour clock, we can say. And this is R, that is the possessive form of V. Okay. Now this is allowed. This is also allowed. ALOUD, ALLOWED. What does it mean? It is to speak something in a loud voice, in a higher pitch, we can say. This is allowed means to permit someone, to permit something. Okay. Now the next is heel. This is also heel. This is HEEL. This is HEAL. This is the back part of our foot, and this is means to do something when we are getting better. So hope you all have understood that what are homophones. We can see that these words have the same pronunciation, but they have different spelling and different meaning. Hope you all have understood now that what are homophones. Thank you.